وزیراعظم شہباز شریف سیلابی صورتحال سے متعلق بین الاقوامی میڈیا نمائندگان سے گفتگو کر رہے ہیں. آپ کو براہ راست لیے چلیں گے.
With a situation which we had taken over 4 months ago, and I'm not going to talk about politics here. It's all about this present situation. But then these floods have added on to our burden and created a very, very complicated situation. The damage to our infrastructure is very vast and is spread all over Pakistan. About 3,500 kilometers of roads have been damaged. Hundreds of bridges and flyovers and underpasses. Electricity is off in many cities. Our ministers, our secretaries are in the field, along with the engineering force of Pakistan Army, trying to repair all these cables, roads, flyovers. 3 days ago, Quetta was completely cut off from Sakkar, adjoining city in Sindh. And within 36 hours, our great engineers and officers and workers were able to repair and rehabilitate this communication. Now that is creating lack of access to basic needs of life. We are dealing with a situation which at least I had not come across in my entire political lifetime, even when I was not in politics. We are committing all our resources towards this relief and rescue. And then, of course, the phase of, and a very difficult phase of rehabilitation is just a few weeks away. At this point in time, we are trying to provide shelter, tents, mosquito kits, potable water, and medical treatment. We had appealed to our brothers and friends all over the world, and I'm very grateful to those countries and heads of state who have responded to our appeal. And as you know, charter flights are landing all over Pakistan, Karachi, Islamabad, other places. Some countries have started sending important items through rail transportation from Istanbul via Tehran to Islamabad. And the first train has started today, left today Istanbul. Other countries are providing cash, kind. We are all very grateful to all these countries, our great friends, and those who have great empathy for humanitarian cause. And this is a situation which calls for immediate relief and help from global community. I expect that as television channels and mainstream media are reflecting these devastating scenes, I think the response is becoming quicker and very strong, alhamdulillah. Today we have troubled you in this room to let you know. I know you are very well aware of the situation on the ground, but today we'll give you a presentation which will show you what is the situation as of today on the ground in all the 4 provinces. We'll also show you the kind of relief work which is going on under the supervision of federal government, provincial governments, and of course by team effort of Pakistan's armed forces. Dozens of helicopters are in action. Boats are roaming around through shallow and deep water, carrying people, boys and children and women and girls to safe places, providing food, providing milk and providing medicines. All this is happening, but this needs to be done at a much bigger scale, and this needs to be multiplied by many times. Otherwise, this challenge will remain a challenge till we really reach the last home, the last person, stranded various parts of Pakistan. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the kind of situation. I wouldn't want to go into details. Yesterday, we have constituted, after thorough consultation, National Flood Response and Coordination Center, which will ensure effective and speedy implementation.
وزیراعظم شہباز شریف سیلابی صورتحال سے متعلق بین الاقوامی میڈیا نمائندگان سے گفتگو کر رہے ہیں. انہوں نے کہا کہ سیلاب سے بچوں اور خواتین سمیت 1000 سے زائد افراد جاں بحق ہوئے ہیں. سیلاب متاثرین کو ریسکیو کرنے کے لیے ہیلی کاپٹر کا استعمال کیا جا رہا ہے. سیلاب سے پیدا ہونے والی گمبھیر صورتحال سے کہ معیشت پر بھی اثرات مرتب ہوں گے.